Hey there, I'm a Monarch Butterfly. Every year I go on a road trip from Canada to Mexico. You could say I'm the ultimate globetrotter, or should I say wing trotter? I'm a milkweed muncher because as a caterpillar, I only eat milkweed. It's like my version of a detox diet, except I turn into a beautiful butterfly at the end. Talk about a glow-up. I'm a toxic trickster. I'm poisonous to predators because of the milkweed I eat. They say you are what you eat. And in my case, I'm a toxic snack no one wants to munch on. I go through a metamorphosis and transform from a caterpillar into a butterfly in a chrysalis. It's like going through a magical wardrobe, but better because I come out with wings. Eat your heart out, Narnia. My royal wings give me my name, Monarch. My wings are a regal orange and black, making me the royalty of the butterfly kingdom. Bow down, peasants.